Hello friend, this is Paper Kitty. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you crafty kitties are doing great. I will be doing a project share of what I have done with the products that I received from In Love Arts. Be sure and check them out. I will be linking their information in the information box below. I will also be linking all of the products that you see here that I have used, and in this case they're all dies. And they do have other products for paper crafting, so definitely check out their website. And again, if you like these specific items, there will be links for them. To make some embellishments, and what I did, first of all, they sent me 6 items that I chose. And for example, the stars was one set of items, and they come in the large, medium, and small. And I will show you again what I've done with these, so that's really fun. The next thing is this Merry Christmas. Is very pretty. I love that font, and it's got a few snowflakes on there, so really love that. Then you got this die, which, you know, these are actually, it's a set that you can pull these apart. And I did not want to pull these apart because what happens is they are they're smaller pieces, and to me it's easier to just keep them, you know, already attached, because then, you know, it's just easier to handle. And I know it came somewhere in one of the, either this one or the little shoe, and I can't remember now, but anyway, I did pull this out. I think maybe it did come with the little ice skate, and possibly. But anyway, it's a little Christmas tree, and I love it. I used it quite a bit. Then you have these snowflakes. They're all kind of different, and they have different sizes. Again, you can pull them apart. I did not want to pull them apart because I think it's easier to handle when you have them all together and just cut them all at one time. Even if you're not going to use them all right away, it's just nice to have a stash of them already made, instead of trying to make every little bitty one individually. Then you got this like little snow globe, and it has several pieces. This is 2 pieces, but I didn't detach these either. But so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pieces with this one. And so yeah, it's got the front and back. That way, if you want to do like a little shaker tag type, little shaker, which I did do, you know, that's helpful to have those like that. I had a little trouble cutting this one, and I'm not sure if it's because they're so tiny, the little snowflakes. But, and then the paper I was using, the cardstock was very thick. So I don't really feel like I got a lot of use out of that one, but I got a lot of use out of everything else. I really enjoyed everything. And again, these are poinsettias, and this is like a little holly berry leaf, and like a candy cane here, and there's another candy cane here, another like a holly berry leaf, another like just regular leaf, Christmas kind. And yeah, so it's really a nice set for Christmas. And I was thinking that I didn't have a lot of Christmas dies, and I just really enjoyed playing with these. So I think you guys will like what I created, I hope. I mainly made these like rosettes, and I used some of the colors that are for Christmas, like the green and the red, but mostly I used the pastels. So I did throw in some green and some red, and then some of them are even some blue, but definitely had to have my pink and my kind of mint green or mint blue, baby blue pastel colors. So yeah, as you can tell, this one has the dies that I use here is in the background. this large pink star, and I used these pink snowflakes. So, and then I also cut a smaller iridescent star with some iridescent paper, and I think it gave it a really nice shimmer. I don't know if it shows in the camera. I think it does if I move this little embellishment a little bit. So I think that just made that look really, really pretty. And then I had this sticker, and then this is a different die that I already had in Cocoa, I think it is, from I think last year. And so just love that little fox, and I thought it came out really pretty on this rosette. So that's my first project here using those dies. Then again, I used the large star die, and I also used the little boot, the little sock, like the Christmas stocking, and so you can see the little Christmas stocking in there. And I put two smaller rosettes on top of this big rosette and added some snowflakes and some of the candy cane. And then I had this bow. I have this bow die, and funny enough, I made this paper out of a napkin. So I kind of basically glued it down to some cardstock and cut it out to make that bow, and I really love the way it looks. And then I love also this little boa, kind of feathery fur in pink. And then this rosette, of course, is blue, and it's got some hearts in it, and it says Merry and Bright. So I thought that was really pretty. Okay, so that's the next. Now this one has the little, and it's actually not that little. It was a really nice size, which I really enjoyed. The ice skate, very pretty there. And again with the snowflake, and then I had these items that I put in it. I also put some stickles on the skate, and I thought they gave it a really pretty shine. And so that's my third one. I made this really large rosette, and it's quite large, and so I'm thinking that I might turn it into a wand, but I'm not sure yet. And so what it is, it's a pink rosette, and then I had this trim that I attached to it, and then I had this ribbon that I went ahead around it, and I thought it came out really sweet. I think it's really cute. It's got a little Santa Claus, and it says Jingle All the Way. And so I used this blue star from the blue die, and I mean from the star die, the large star die, and I also used flakes, the different, because this is a smaller one, this is a little bit larger, and the Christmas tree, a little die of the Christmas tree is what I used there. And then I added, you know, a couple other dies and some of this silver trim, and then I did stickle it a bit as well. So I kind of went a little bit overboard on this one, and I love that little paper ribbon with that little blingy. So I think this one came out a bit much, but anyway, tell me in the comments below what you think. Traditional colors, but mostly the pastels, and I love the skate, the ice skate. I think it came out very pretty, and the snowflakes are lovely, and I did stickle this one. And again, that little Christmas tree. I also layered these little stars on the side. I thought they came out really cute. This was a medium and a small one in this one. And there's a little bitty rosette in here that I used to pop this snowflake. And then I had that stamp Merry and Bright that I embossed with embossing powder. So it's not a glittery one, it's just a plain color. So I thought that one came out really cute too. The Merry Christmas die in pink and stickled it. Thought they came out very pretty. And then again put this little deal onto the part that has the snowflake. And again, I love this feather, this pink boa feather. I got that at the Dollar Tree a while back. And this little star behind it, it's from Snow and Cocoa collection. And then this little like holly berry wreath, I fussy cut that out of a catalog. So, and then this is on a pretty little rosette that's got polka dots. It's a mint green with polka dots. So thought that came out really nice. Love that. Delicate looking one. It's a vellum. It's got vellum back here, and then that's the rosette. And then again the Snow and Cocoa collection here, and then these other ones, these pink ones, are from the die. And actually I went ahead when I cut this one out, it kind of embossed it more than cut it, so I just went ahead and layered it because it was with that iridescent paper. I think you can see it. And so I layered that too. I thought that looked really, really cute. So I love this one. I love all of them, but this one, I just liked how delicate it looks like that. A little shaker globe is what I made. And it says Let It Snow. And so this was from Snow and Cocoa, and I cut it with this little deal here, with this little die right here. And so it allowed me to have the perfect size circle to then layer over this with some hot glue, and I put the sequin in there, and so made it into a little shaker. And then this snow person is so cute, I think, because it's pink, and actually it came in a pack of stickers that I got recently, but they were all, they have the black hat and the black scarf. But I went ahead and painted them, just hand painted them, and I'm still working on these a little bit. I need to probably go back and touch these up a little bit better, but this one I thought came out really cute. Hope you can see it. And so for this one I used the large star again. I love that large star. I was able to get a lot of use out of it. And I layered it with that iridescent paper. So I love that iridescent paper on this. And again with that little furry stuff. And actually I found that at a thrift store. I just found this like little bag, and I just pulled out all those little hairs out of it and used it on here. So, you know, you got to get creative when you want to get creative, right? So anyway, I'm loving that. I think that looked really, really cute. Let It Snow. I love, 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 love. Obviously, I use that star a lot. I got a lot of use out of it. I thought it was a perfect base to then layer over. So I put a little pearl trim here. Now this little flower, like a leaf, and all the snowflakes are part of the die sets that I showed you that I got from InLoveArts. And then I went ahead and added, this is actually an ornament, but it's really, really flat. And so I thought it was the perfect little guy there to go on here. And then this is a clear pink, pale pink button. I thought that looked really pretty. And then I put a little bow from another die that I already had, and that pearl. So, and then these little dangly stars. They again came from some decorations that I had in my stash. Now this one is not much of a shaker because when I made this one, I didn't leave a lot of room between the two pieces. So it really doesn't move around too much, it doesn't shake too much, but that's okay. I just wanted it to have that with the little star in there. And then since this is the background is an ornament, it's actually vellum. It's a vellum rosette, but then I put this like white iridescent Snowflake, which was again an ornament but really flat. And so yeah, then I added this pink fluff here, and then I put this beautiful pearl on the center of that snowflake. And then since it's an ornament, it already has a little hole there, and I decided to put a little dangle, which is this little tassel. It's kind of, it feels like a little leather, like pleather. And then this little charm that I made with this beautiful pink pearl and these little clear pearls on the sides. So I thought that one came out really, really cute too. I just love all of them. I really, really do. So this one just says holiday, and so the star and the snowflake are from the InLoveArt dies. Again here, same thing, except I layered it a little bit different. Put some iridescent paper in the back and put this little fluff, this little pink fluff on there. I made these tiny, teeny little ones here. And what I did is I used the little poinsettia die in white and pink. And then the little leaves, they're like the holly berry leaves maybe, or they're maybe the poinsettia leaves, I don't know, but anyway, they're Christmas leaves. And then I put a little sequin right in the center of that one. So I hope you can see that. And then did something similar, except it's like the reverse, you know, the white is the thinner part, and stickled it, and then put a pearl in the center of that one. Last but not least, I have this amazing cute tag that I absolutely love, you guys. Isn't that adorable? When I saw this little guy right here, I was just in love. I kind of remembered my Snow and Cocoa collection that I had, the ephemera, and I was going through it and found this little guy and just fell in love with him. He's just so cute with his little pink cheeks. And so of course I had to give him a pink stocking, put that little fur, put the stickles, put the little tree, put some stickles on it, and then put the snowflakes. And actually on these, I don't know if you can tell, but it's pretty dimensional because I put the little beads that I got from BB Craft, that I got the pastel collection last time, that little box. And then I put this sticker that says Noel, and put a little pearl there, and then this little bow, I already have that die from before, and so I put that little pink little blingy diamond there. And then I put this really pretty trim here, and this was given to me by Jovi in one of her tags that she sent me, and I just thought it went perfect here, so I love it, and I had to have that. And Jovi also gave me this sweet little ornament looking kind of ball here, and so I filled it with white glitter and glued it down, and so now it's a little dangle, and I am in love with it. And I also did put the grommet from that I got from BB Crafts before. So, but anyway, guys, appreciate you stopping by to take a look. Again, be sure and check out the links below. Thank you, InLoveArt, for supplying me with these beautiful dies, and I was able to make all these beautiful projects, all these this tag and all of these embellishments for Christmas, and I really enjoyed myself. So thank you very much. If you like this video, please be sure and give me a thumbs up, and be sure and hit the subscribe button if you would like to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Love you so much. Love you so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye now.